let's head over to the other store. All right, so now that we're in here, there's going to be a couple areas I'm not going to go to because I don't want to give away any sensitive customer information, because I have had customers, even though this is a demonstration site, I have actually made sales that I fulfilled, so I don't want to invade anyone's privacy. You'll see on sales channels right here a couple things. You'll see that Pinterest and Facebook are integrated. And what this does is this gets your store on Facebook and on Pinterest. But let's get into the apps here, because this is really, really what it's all about. So you'll see, as I mentioned, I have the free shipping bar by Hextum, the in-cart upsell by Awesome Software, and the Oberlo app, which is the meat and potatoes of this whole operation. So let's just rip through these really quickly and get an idea of what they're going to do for us. So we got the free shipping bar by Hextum, and I don't know if you noticed when we were at the site, I'm offering free shipping at $19. Let's see here. The reason I chose $19 as my free shipping, and I'm not saying this is the right way to do it or the wrong way to do it, but the reason I chose $19 as my shipping, because the products that I promote on Facebook, I have products on my site that are $2 or $4 or whatever, or $6. But for the most part, the products that I'm pushing pretty heavily on my site are, in the $7 to $7, $8, $9 range. Okay. And so what happens is, if someone comes to my store and they buy the one that I promoted to them, they came for whatever product they saw on Facebook, then they find another one that they like as well. Now they're going to be $1 away from free shipping. So I think that's the best way to get 3 sales per order, is just based on my price point. And like I said, that's just one theory that seems to be working out okay for me there. So the free shipping bar Hextum is really easy to set up. Now, before you do this, you have to make sure that you have your free shipping zone set up, which we talked about just a moment ago, where you have a free shipping rate. If you don't have a free shipping rate, this bar is not going to work. But we have already done that, and in this one, it's going to be free shipping at 19. So let's create a new bar just to show you the process here. So you can select any one of these, based on your fonts. If you want little delivery trucks in there, they had some pumpkins in there probably for Halloween or what have you. But you can just click on any one of those, I think. Let's see here. Yeah, so you can click on any one of those, and it'll give you just an idea of the 3 cycles it's going to go to. So for instance, if we choose this one right here, when someone comes to your store, it's going to say free shipping for orders, or it says order, but over $100. And then if they were to put an item that was $1 into their cart, it would say only $99 away from free shipping. And then once they hit that $100 mark in their cart, it'll say, congratulations, you've got free shipping. And that just kind of gives you a preview of the steps it's going to go through. So you can name this whatever you want. You want to set your currency symbol. You can change your goal to whatever you want it to be. So we want to say free shipping at $19. It's going to automatically update everything, so you don't even have to change anything. You can add a link to make the entire bar clickable if you want it to send them to the cart or wherever you want it to send them. I usually don't leave it clickable because I don't want to mess them up. I don't want to take them away from where they want to be. You got options. You can have it at the top of the page. You can have it always visible while scrolling, which is the one I like. I like to keep that right in front of them. I don't want them in their way of them shopping, but I like to keep that bar visible at all times. And you can check out, where you want this to display. And I want this to display everywhere. You can have it only display on mobile or desktop browsers, but I want it to display everywhere. You can even geo-target by country if you want. So if you were doing international shipping and you didn't want to offer free international shipping, I guess you can do that, but I don't mess around with that. You can choose your colors, what color you want your bars to be. You can do background images if you upgrade to a premium, but I think just simple black and white works pretty well. So I would just change the background color, to 000. And after I change the background color to black, I could just change my text color to white, or whatever I want to do. And you can choose your fonts. You can switch that around. You can do padding if you want to make the bar bigger or smaller. And when you're done, you can save it. Now, I don't want to do that because I already have one in there that works just fine. But that's how easy it is to get your preview or your free shipping bar set up and ready to go. Now, let's go back to the app's dashboard or screen or section, and we'll talk about the in-cart upsell by Awesome Software. And once again, the in-cart upsell, what this is going to do is when someone comes to your store and they buy a product, okay? They put a product into their cart and they're going to get ready to check out and purchase. This is going to say, hey, would you also like to add this to your cart? And this is showing us that, over the past couple months, we've added $17 just from having this free app into it. The click-through rate is 8.3%. Now, I would probably, at that point, if I were doing this as a business, I would maybe mess around with the product choice that I have, because I think you can do it a little bit better. You can get anywhere up to 20%. Now, I'm not saying you're going to, but it is possible to get up to 20% of the people to accept your in-cart upsell. So like I said, if I was looking at this full-time, I would definitely go ahead and change my offer. But anyways, to create a in-cart upsell, you just go ahead and create a new offer. Okay, I would have to upgrade to create another offer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this one. So this is what it looks like right now. When someone comes to my shopping cart, it says, would you also like to add a simple gold and silver plated star chain, 2 pieces for $5.99. If they hit this button, it automatically puts it into the cart. Now you can see if you don't like this offered powered by in-cart upsell, you can upgrade and they'll take it off of there. But this is just how easy it is to set up. So here's the offer text. Would you like to add? And then this is back with this liquid variable again for product price, and that's already in there. So really, this is all set up and ready to go. And you got display rules. If order is, basically I just have, if order is at least 25 cents, then go ahead and display this in in-cart upsell, because I really want to show it to everybody. I mean, worst case scenario, somebody buys this and they see, would you like to add another one? And believe it or not, they might add another one. Maybe they'll think, yeah, I'll get one for a friend. So I just want to show that one piece of jewelry to everybody. Now, it's not going to be a product that I'm promoting very heavily, because chances are they're not going to buy two, but it's going to be a product that's closely related. So if I'm promoting necklaces heavily, I'd either promote earrings or a bracelet or something that complements it, but is obviously going to be different for the most part. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you wanted to change the product, what to offer, you can say single product. And when you start typing in here, if you just start typing, it'll automatically populate what potential products are. So if I just put in, I want a single product, and I type in D, it's going to give me all the options. Okay, so if I want to offer the detailed metal choker, or the black suede leather choker, or the 4 pieces of braided adjustable leather cuff, all I got to do is click on that, and it'll automatically change it once you save the offer. So it says your changes have been saved, published, updated within a few seconds. So it's not going to show me right away. But you can also always go to your store here and see what do we see here. All right, so I don't have anything in my cart right now. So let's just click on something. Let's add it to the cart. And we'll go to the cart right now. And would you like to also add these 4 pieces of braided adjustable leather cuff for $9.99? And there you go.